Yeah.
Hey, show some respect.
This is Grandma giving Zacchaeus presents on his 2nd birthday.
Say hi to Papa.
I can't forget.
It's a Mrs. Potato Head. Yeah, there's also a Mrs. Potato Head.
Yeah, look at that.
You like that one?
Oh, Jackie. There's it.
All right.
You need something open, Zachy?
It's kind of loud.
Yeah, I'll get this open for you.
Is that got a little plastic tie on it?
You need scissors?
Hey, Zachy.
No.
Zachy. Zachy. Say thank you to Grandma.
Tickle.
To Grandma, say thank you.
Tickle.
You're welcome.
I see. I understand now.
All right. Now it's time to play.
Need a knife?
Signing off.